how to sign up to BotSonic. So BotSonic is actually a sister company of BrightSonic. You can see it right here. Just head over and click on that and you can see here this botsonic.com. Now from in here, you can see this BotSonic by BrightSonic, which means that they're actually connected to each other. And that if you want to sign up to this, you can see in here the screen. So they will ask you for your actual name as well as what best describes your role. So for example, let's put in here this, and then you can actually just choose in here which one you want and also how soon do you want. So you can head over and then use immediately or any time frame. I'll head over and put in here my name, and then from in there click on next, and then it will ask about your company. So just head over and put in here the company that you want, and then the number of employees, and then also what the industry you're in as well as the department you're in. Now from in there, click on next again, and then it will ask your use cases. So for example, let's head over and use this right here and click on next. Now, once you're done with next, let's click on this get started right here, and this will ask what would you like your name your bot. So this is actually included in another tutorial that we have, but once you have filled up all the informations earlier, you should be able to get the BotSonic already. So that's how you sign up to BotSonic. Hope we helped.